And everybody on board ship used to look with a sense of admiration कि अरे बड़ा साहब है ना, the problem will get solved. This video that I am making is a, I would say मैं ये कहूँगा कि it is a thank you for one chief engineer who really brought a big change in my life, and that is Chief Engineer Pankaj sir. See, when I joined ship motor tanker ME, that was my second ship as fourth engineer. Till that time मुझे बस इतना पता था कि that I have to work hard, I have to be the hardest working person, and yes I was. And people loved me for the hard work that I was putting in, but people did not love me for the knowledge that I had. So मैं वही करता था जो लोग कहते थे, अरे do like this, okay sir, do like this, okay sir, do it again, okay sir, do it like this, okay sir, okay sir. So I was not applying this. I was just applying my body, my hands, my legs. The mind was not involved. So it was Chief Engineer Pankaj sir who brought a change in my thought process that you will be respected for your knowledge. And he helped me develop that. He helped me in how to read manuals. He helped me in telling me कि manuals पढ़ने से तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी बदल सकती है. He showed me some examples where there were problems on board ship जो कि which were not being solved for months. But when he came, he was able to solve the problems, and wow, such a good amazing mails came from the company as well. So this showed me that if you have real knowledge, hard work is important, but the most important thing is having knowledge so that you can troubleshoot problems, you can solve problems. And everybody on board ship used to look with a sense of admiration कि अरे बड़ा साहब है ना, the problem will get solved. And he was the first one to introduce me to the world of electrical कि अरे circuit diagram बनाओ, ऐसे करो, why can't you read a simple circuit diagram, don't you know that how does MCCB work. Okay, every day used to come at night when it was a watch keeping ship. रात को 8 से 12 मेरी वॉच होती थी. Every day night he used to come and used to ask me 5 or 10 questions. Okay, tell me what is the capacity of emergency fire pump. Okay, tell me the capacity of the generator. Okay, what is kilowatt and what is kVA. ऐसा क्यों होता है? How will you read this circuit diagram? चलो, let's do this. Tell me how is this working. Tell me, okay, let's take this line diagram, go and trace the lines. He helped me become better at maroon diagrams as well. So all in all, when I became a second engineer, when I became a chief engineer, when I was even a third engineer, I always tried to copy him, or I tried to follow him in some or the other terms, that as he helped me, at least in my version, I thought I became a better engineer, I will help others. So thank you, Pankaj sir. I know you are in Mumbai right now. You are a superintendent working in a shipping company. You are still very much in touch with technical aspects. But I think so. Okay, now is the time that you need to help us mentor these thousands of marine engineers, lakhs of them, so that they can do what you have done with me. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.